It's something I want to do since I was a child, and I came from a different country. I couldn't at the beginning because of the immigration status, stuff like that. Eventually I had an opportunity and I gave it a try, and here I am with the Fairfax County Police Department. I was born and raised in China, and I came here 18 years ago. I went to Netherlands for my college, hotel management. Then I came here for internship. Then after school, I joined the Marines, and 6 years, 2 deployments. Before I got out of the Marine Corps, the Fairfax County went to base, Camp Lejeune, to recruit. Then I applied, and after 9 months, here I am. In Fairfax County, it's very diverse. We have a large population in the Asian communities. It doesn't matter, it's a Korean, Chinese, or Vietnamese. We all share the same culture, same custom, same traditions, even food. So when I get dispatched to Asian communities, we have the instant connections. I'll give you the easy example. In Asian culture, we don't look into seniors' eyes when we talk to them. It's part of the culture. I was taught this way. I still have that. You know, it's hard to change because for the senior members, if you look into their eyes, that's a challenge. It's intimidation. And so for the Western culture, we talk to people who look into your eyes. It is different. So that's a big thing, actually. If you don't know the culture or if you're not aware of it, it could be a lot of misunderstanding. Be on patrol, you communicate with people every day. It doesn't matter, good people, bad people, people like you, people don't like you. Exercise your own personal communication skills. The early days when I just came on, I got frustrated because people don't work with us, don't cooperate with us, and give us a bad attitude. It doesn't matter what we say. I got frustrated. But now, after all these years, 15 years on the street, I learned gradually. How do you want people to treat you? It depends how you treat other people. If you treat them with respect, like human beings, you'll be amazed. They will give you respect back. So I truly believe we can change the outcome. Community policing plays a very big role because we have to let them know who we are, what is our value. We're here to do our jobs. We're here to protect you and to serve you. When I get the 911 call, I don't care who you are, where you're from, what's your skin color, we go. We get there as fast as we can. We treat everybody the same. We have officers speak Spanish, Chinese, Vietnamese, Russian. They will be on call for any certain events. Cases need a translation, they just call us and we go there, especially like robberies, home invasions, sex offenses. They need an immediate translation, not just on the telephone. They want somebody to be there and talk to people in person, translate in person directly. This is a commitment. It is not a job, it's a career because you change people's lives every day. Are you willing to take that challenge? You have to ask yourself first. It's not gonna be all pretty, happy moments. It's gonna be some bad time, dangerous. You have to take some risk, but this is a commitment. It's something that you have to feel proud to do. I feel proud. I took the commitment, protect and serve. This is the community you work. How many people can tell you that they have the ability to change people's lives every day when they go to work? Very few. And you're one of it. You should be proud of it. You should take a pride for what you do. Are you willing to take that challenge? Do you have the courage? That's what I'm talking about.